I'm surprised that's not scaring her.
By you. Straight by you.
Okay, I know. Just gotta get. Uh-oh. She's like, don't you even think about it, Diamond Joe. Come on, Diamond. It's your turn to slide. They're just gonna let you slide. Oh, look at that. Look at those two sisters. Aww. Come on, slide, Diamond. She jumps like a leopard or whatever. Not leopard. She has to jump. She can't just slide. She has
Like
to.
a bunny.
Yeah, that thing. Yeah, it's a bunny. Well, considering how long her legs are, she probably can't slide. I'm gonna poke your nose. Oh, you did not like that. I'm sorry. What? No, you had enough of it? Okay. They had enough of it, Jersey. You girls all tired out already? Jersey Belle. Get a little attitude again. Get a little attitude. Pretty Jersey. Pretty Jersey. No, not pretty. Okay. Sexy Diamond. You girls are boring. Mom, Jersey's. Look at her! Look at her! Aww, that was adorable.
Sissy kissy, huh?
Well, because the stick is around, like, kind of like around Diamond's neck.
Yeah.
So I wonder if Jersey thought that she could help. Haha. You girls done playing already? Are you gonna tear like a doggy? Doing it like a doggy. Woof woof. What are you? Oh, you're not doing nothing. Okay. You girls done playing? Yeah. Yeah. Okay.